Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G30 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So firstly, obviously, let's enter the camera app, let's tap on it and make sure that you're on the photo mode. Right now we can focus on this option bar, let's say, and here on the second position from the right we've got the timer option, which is right now turned off because it is crossed out. In order to turn it on, actually, just tap on it and the icon has changed a little and we just set 3 times 3 seconds delay. After tapping on it again, we are setting 10 seconds delay. I hope that you can see it. And after tapping again, we can turn it off. So let me pick, for example, 10 seconds delay. Just make sure that we've got this icon here and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on, your device will count down from 10 and after that time, it will take a photo. Okay, and as you can see, we just took a photo. Let's check another option. So let's check 3 seconds delay and the same situation, but right now it is counting down from 3. After turning off the timer, so just make sure that it is crossed out, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your Motorola Moto G30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.